Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally.ai and click search and then click install. Now click open and then click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions, then click on AI assistant and here you have to allow this app to display over other apps and then you can go back, and as you can see my AI assistant is now allowed, so now you can go back again and click stop, and as you can see here is my ChatGPT widget and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And he responded. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.